Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry baby French beans with chili garlic oil. So I have 400 grams of baby French beans, 1.5 tablespoons of chili garlic oil. This is the chili garlic oil, a homemade chili garlic oil. You can look out on how to make this chili garlic oil from my other video that I have uploaded before. I will share the links down below this video as well. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Since the bean is still in the packet, I'm going to go ahead and start off with cutting the beans first. How to cut the beans, right? Baby French beans, they are very young and very sweet. So I'm just going to cut the top and the bottom. Just like that. And we don't need to cut. We're just going to cook the whole beans like that. Just going to go ahead and doing that. While cutting the beans like this, right, you can also check whether the bean is rotten or have any worms in it. So I'm going to go ahead and complete cutting all the baby French beans, and then after that we're going to wash it. These are the beans after cut and wash. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, put in all the onion oil. Once the oil is hot, put in the light soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili garlic oil. For the chili garlic oil, right, this is quite spicy and it really depends on the tolerance to the spicy level. You can put less or you can put more if you want. Just give it a stir. And now we're putting in the baby French bean. Mix it. If it's slightly dry, you can add in 2 tablespoons of water. Cover the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes pass. If you cook for 2 minutes, the baby French bean will be just nice and crunchy. Now you can give it a taste. Wow, very nice. The beans cooked just perfectly and it's enough taste and enough spicy. So I'm going to switch off the heat. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, oyster sauce or light soy sauce, you can do so. But for this one, it's enough taste and enough spiciness. And this is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. This kind of stir-fry vegetable is best to serve immediately once it's cooked. So let's eat. Spicy French beans, delicious. Wow, very tasty. The baby French bean cooked just perfectly. It's very crunchy and it's very sweet. The chili garlic oil is blends so well with light soy sauce and the oyster sauce. And it is not too spicy. It's just perfect. When eat together with the rice, It's so appetizing. I love it. For the change, we want to eat stir-fried vegetable with slightly spiciness. If you happen to try it, do let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye!